Is your Acura RSX alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. The most frequent culprits are faulty door hood switches, key fob issues, and overly sensitive shock sensors. The most frequent culprits are faulty door hood switches, key fob issues, and overly sensitive shock sensors. First, try a simple reset. Hold the lock/unlock buttons on your key fob for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, the problem likely lies elsewhere. Corroded or degraded door and hood switches are common due to age. Use contact cleaner to clean these switches. Test with a multimeter. Resistance should be near 0 ohms when closed. For hood switches, consult your repair manual for the latch location. Key fob malfunctions often stem from dead batteries, CR 2032. Replace and try resetting again. For sensitivity, the alarm brain is usually under the dash. Consult your RSX's repair manual for location and potentiometer adjustment to reduce sensitivity. If basic fixes fail, check for electrical faults in the body control module (BCM). An OBD2 scanner can diagnose electrical issues and save a mechanic visit. Wiring shorts can cause BCM failure. Inspect for damaged wiring regularly. Many owners upgrade to aftermarket systems like Viper or CompuStar with smartphone control. Preventive maintenance. Regularly clean door and hood switches to extend lifespan. Consider professional reprogramming if DIY attempts fail. Amateur fixes have a high error rate. Community forums like AccuraZine offer user-driven solutions and detailed guides.